guys, it's Princess Sparkles here, and today I'm making my first video. We are going to be doing a video of a mermaid slime. So, let's get started. Here we have some glitter, some glitter glue. So here are the instructions. I should have is a measuring cup. So, yep, we have a measuring cup right here. Okay, and the second thing we should have is a wooden stirring stick. And then we have a spoon to stir with. Then we have 2 packets of sodium powder right here. And then we have a bag of plastic beads. And then a bag of glitter. Cute, right? Glitter. Okay, so now let's look at the instructions. Okay, first use a plastic cup, not hot, included in your kit. Pour 30 milliliters of warm water. So I'm assuming it's this measuring cup, I hope. So now we're going to fill it up, and we'll be back right after this. Okay, now we're back, and here is my hot water too. Then add 0.15 grams of the sodium to the hot water in your plastic cup. Use your mixing stick to mix until it is completely dissolved. Okay, so we're gonna put these sodiums inside of the hot water. One packet down, one more to do. Okay, now that we're all done putting in the packets, okay, now we're going to add 15 milliliters of glitter glue. To mix, you can transfer the mixture to a bowl to make it easier to mix. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a bowl real quick. Ready, set. Oh, okay, so now we're back. And I got this little decoration bowl. Now we're gonna take this and pour it in. Because we wanna transfer this into here so it won't spill that easy. And in here it was like really high, so we didn't want it to spill. Now, add the glitter glue. So here's the glitter glue, and I'll see how much to add. 15 milliliters. So now I'm going to use this to measure it. Okay, so now we have our glitter glue. So now that we put the glitter in there, so it says to mix. So I'm just going to use the wooden dowel to mix. So now it's all mixed. So now we have to add the plastic beads and the glitter pile into our mixing bowl. Instructions said to let it sit for 1 minute. So I'm going to stir it in a little, and then I'll be back to you when it sits. Okay, so look at the slime. you can see, it's ready. It's really pretty. It is squishy, but it's pretty stiff. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe if you liked it. Drop a like, please. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!